Hi guys, Miss Herbert again. Here with math. Today we're going to be talking about regrouping with subtraction. So you've been learning a lot about regrouping with addition, and you guys have been doing really good. I've been so impressed at seeing people use different strategies. I learned that some kids really like the expanded form or the breakaway strategy. Um, Whereas I like the pictorial strategy, and I do see that some kids are using that as well. And even I saw a couple people doing it the standard way. Today, I want to show you the base 10 or the pictorial way to do subtraction with regrouping because I see a couple people, subtraction is kind of tricky sometimes. When I was little, I always had a really hard time with subtraction. So we're going to talk about that today because I learned some strategies that have been helping me. So I'm hoping that the strategies that I learned can help you too. Okay. So I'm going to show you how I do this, and you can see if it works for you too. Right here, I'm going to write my problem. I have, like Miss Herbert had 56 pieces of candy at her house. And her little boys, they ate 28 pieces of my candy. Oh my gosh, my little boys, I had to go hide our Halloween candy because they were eating it all up. So I had 56 pieces of candy. My little boys ate 28 of the pieces. And I know that if they're eating them, I'm taking them away. So it's going to be subtraction. I have 56 pieces of candy to start with. My boys ate 28. So I know my number is going to be smaller. I want to make sure this number is smaller than 56. Okay. So I am going to subtract. The first thing I'm going to do, just like every problem I do, I'm going to label ones and tens and draw a line down the middle. This helps my brain remember where I'm at. Okay, I'm going to build 56. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I have 5 tens. 5 tens is worth 50. And then I'm going to get 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I need to take away 28. You always start in your ones. We know that from addition. You start in your ones and you work your way greater. So I'm starting in my ones and I see 6 minus 8. Ooh, something looks really wrong. Go ahead at your house right now, where you're at. Put up 6 of your fingers. Put them up. Put them up. Okay, 6 fingers up. Can you take 8 of them down? What? I don't have 8 fingers to take down. You can't do that. You cannot take 8 away from 6. If you only have 6 pieces of candy, you can't take away 8. Not yet, okay? You can't take away 8 in second grade. So we are going to use our 6 here. And I know that I need more so that I can take away 8. I'm going to regroup. In addition, we've been regrouping this way. Now we're going to regroup this way, okay? So I'm going to take my 10 rod, and inside this 10 rod is worth how much? This 110 rod is worth, say it with me, 10 ones. A 10 rod is worth 10 ones. A 10 rod is worth 10 ones. This 10 rod is worth 10 ones. So I'm going to make sure I put out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to trade this 10 rod for 10 ones. I'm getting rid of this 10 rod, and instead I'm putting 10 rods. These have the same value. A 10 rod is the same value as 10 ones. So I'm just going to trade it. I'm getting rid of that 10 rod over there. And now I have 10 extra ones. Okay. I regrouped it. I decomposed it. You could call that too. I took this 10 rod, I decomposed it into 10 ones. So now all together, I had my original 6 and the 10 I broke apart. Now I have 16 over here. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yep. Now I have 16 over here. It's like I took the 10 from here and slid it in right there. And now this number is 16. This number 5, I took one of the 10s, I borrowed it, and now I only have 4 tens over here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, because I borrowed one of the tens from here and moved it over here. So now I can do it. I have 16, I can take away 8. 16, you could put up 16 and take away 8. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's count how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 ones left. So in my ones spot, I'm going to write the number 8. Now up here, I only have 4 tens left. And I want to subtract 2, take away 2. So I'm going to take away 1, 2. I have 2 tens left. 2 tens is 10, 20. It's worth 20. But I only write the digit 2 because it's in the tens place. I already know it's 2 tens. So I'm going to write 2 for 2 tens there. It's 28. Oh, that's interesting. It will not always be this number. All right. It's 28 this time. We're going to do another one. And this one I'm going to do really quick. And I'm going to show you, if you don't have base 10 blocks at home, how you can draw out your base 10 blocks. Okay. So we're going to start with 63. I've got 63 pieces of candy. This time my little boys are going to eat 49 of the pieces of candy. Okay. So I'm going to draw out 63. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. Now I'm taking away 49 from the 63. So I'm not going to draw my 49. I only draw my second number if I'm adding them together. I'm taking it away. So I'm not going to draw it. I'm going to cross them out from up here. So I've got my ones over here and my tens over here. Draw a line down the middle so I don't get them confused. Take away 9 ones. Uh-oh. Can't do it. Put 3 fingers up. Can you take 9 of them down? You sure can't. You need more. So you cannot take away this bigger number. You cannot do that. Okay. So I'm going to take one of my tens and I'm going to send it flying over here. I'm going to break it apart up into what? 1 10 is worth 10 ones. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I broke up this 10 and I turned it into 10 ones. Now, since I took away one of these 10s, now I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 5 10s over here. I brought the other 10 over here, and now I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I've got 13 ones. Now I'm going to do 13 minus 9. I can do that now. I'm going to cross out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do I have left? Let's count them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 ones left. So I'm going to record my 4 for my ones spot. Okay, because 13 minus 9 was 4. Now I'm going to go back over to my tens. I already used one of my tens to break apart and regroup. So now I'm going to do it over here. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 4. So I'm going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's left? Just this one little 10 right here. 1 10. I'm going to write the 1 over there. It's 1 10. And my answer is 14. Okay. That's the pictorial way to do it. It can help you by drawing these pictures, or if you're lucky and at home you have base 10 blocks, if you need some base 10 blocks and you're at my school, you can send me a message and I'll make sure that we get some for you to take home, okay? If you would like that, have your parent or your adult who's at home with you message me. Okay, guys, so we have learned how to subtract, doing regrouping and decomposing those tens, breaking them apart and using them as ones so that we can subtract. If you have any questions, have your adult at home message me. And on Seesaw, you're going to see an activity where you can practice this over and over. Actually, it's going to be this activity that you're watching the video for. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Have a good night. And don't forget, come to Zoom classes at 3:30. All right. The link is in your Seesaw. See y'all later. Bye.